I have so many rocks to cut. These are all cabs and butterflies and earrings and stuff. And then I have this pile of beautiful stuff that I have to cut into slabs so I can make more butterflies and earrings and dragonflies and stuff. This is labradorite. Look at the blue on that. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we have source agate from Thunder Bay. Stuff's amazing. Then I have some agate from Indonesia, I believe. Then we have some kind of pyrite. This is green quartzite found locally. This is obsidian. I think it's snowflake obsidian. Not sure what this is. Could be jasper. Same as this big stripy looking thing. It's beautiful. And down here we have some labradorite that I'm going to try to cut into slabs. This stuff's really difficult to work with. It's fractured in so many different ways. So it's hard to cut. Sometimes it just falls apart and breaks. As you can see on this here. So we got fractures going that way, fractures going this way, all kinds of fun stuff. And I also grabbed a couple of pieces of amethyst, hoping to get some wings, but there's a lot of fractures in this too. It's really hard to work with this batch. Water's in, ready to go. Okay, they're all cut out and dry. Now it's time to trace out the dragonfly wings and some butterfly wings and some cabochons. And we're good to go. Now that the slabs are all done, I will cut them all on the saw. Got a whole ton of stuff. Even made some maple leaves. So a lot of those pieces didn't survive, which left me with some oddball pieces. So there's a couple where I'm going to do some different kind of wings. Do pudding stone and whatever that is, and an amethyst and one of those. And I'll do another one with some source agate and stuff with pyrite in it. So that'd be a couple of just different kind of wings. I also have 3 extra pudding stone, 1 extra amethyst, agate, and a source agate. I'll put those ones aside for when I do some more dragonflies. There's also a few shapes of agate that I'm going to throw in the tumbler after I do a little bit of cab work on them and make them into some sort of pendant type thing. Everybody likes oddball shapes. And some pendants. 2 labradorite, source agate, another kind of agate, agate, source agate. And I still have some more smaller wings to cut out and a whole bunch of cabochons that I could do later. I'm not in a big rush for. Source agate guitar pick. Don't know if it'll survive because of all the fractures. And some more cabs. And 3 maple leaves. Alrighty, here's the first batch. It's the guitar pick. Turned out pretty good. We have some banded iron. That's going to be some kind of like a butterfly type thing. And we have some more wings. Blue agate turned out really nice. I think this is from Indonesia. Pudding stone. Some green quartzite. Another Indonesian agate. We got these beautiful ones here. It's going to be a nice butterfly. We have labradorite. Look at that blue. Isn't that gorgeous? But problem is, one broke. I could glue it, but we'll see. Some smaller wings. Beautiful agate. Made a pair of earrings out of the Brazilian agate that was kind of like a, I call it a dud. There's no agate in it, but there is some pretty cool little designs and stuff. And just some small stuff like a little bit of amethyst and different kinds of little rocks. Just to fill the space. And when the next batch is done, I will show you. Like right now. And here is the second batch of wings. So now that the second batch is made, I'm going to do a separate video for each dragonfly and butterfly that I make. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. I also have the stocking I have to put together. 2 of them actually. I also made an angel. Not very happy with it. The matrix kind of fading away a little bit. This softer part of the matrix. And it creates this these white patches that aren't as shiny as the rest. And it kind of makes it look bad. Same as the bell. Not much you could do about it. It's just whatever matrix and type of rock is in the pudding stone. So I'll probably put these on my own tree because I wouldn't give these to anybody or sell them for sure. I like the wings though. So I have a ton of work to do, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great week. Take care, and we will see you soon.